Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, LiveLoveCrochet. Today I want to give you a little sneak peek for my next tutorial. I have made a baby cardigan, 0 to 3 months old, and I have done this one with Alpine stitch. So we have double crochet and then the Alpine stitch. For this one I have made a hood for it, and it's got a little bit of edging. And we have the buttons. I have made one pocket. I wasn't sure whether to put 2 on, but I thought 1 looked okay. At the bottom we have some single crochet ribbon, and the sleeves are rollback sleeves. So they're actually made to stay rolled back. So that was the 0 to 3. I also made a 9 to 12 month old. This one isn't quite finished. I didn't actually sew in the buttons yet. So this one, we don't have a hood, we just have a little collar for it. We have on this one some elbow patches. Elbow patch on that side. We also have the sleeves. Now these ones you can keep turned out or you can roll them back. It's totally up to you, but either way is fine. And we have 2 pockets on this one, and the single crochet ribbon like the other one. So that is my 9 to 12 month old. Now I have wrote down some measurements already, but all I have is for the age up to 9 to 12. So if you want to make a bigger size, just comment in the box down below and I will make some more measurements for the bigger sizes. So if you just let me know, I will get that done. So that is all for today's video. Hope you're excited like I am, but this video will be up very soon. It will be in 2 parts, so keep a lookout if you're interested in making this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.